Welcome to madecv.com. What is your name and nationality? What is your name and nationality?
I'm Mary Jane T. Lucas,
And you're from?
Dubai, UAE,
Okay, but what's your nationality?
Filipino.
How old are you?
I'm 35 years old,
Are you single or married?
single mom.
Single mother?
Single.
Single. Okay, so what position are you applying for?
I applying for housemate at the same time nanny.
Okay, when would you be able to start working?
I'm sure, but this coming year by January,
By
first week of January.
First week of January. Okay.
Yes.
So do you have relatives here in UAE?
Yes, my brother, but they are working in LA.
Okay. So please describe your present job.
I am all-around housemate at the same time nanny also. I've been here turning to 9 years here as a European family. They had one child. I take care of him for 9 years. But it was good family here. But I need to be practical. I want to expect find another job as much more big salary.
Okay.
And also at the same time, I want live out, so to explore my knowledge also, not only for us being housemaid, so to explore Dubai.
Okay. So describe how do you perform your task for each location in the house? How do you clean the living room, the kitchen, the bedroom, the toilet, and which part of the house are you going to clean first?
I started in the morning preparing breakfast of the family, and then after that, after they left, I starting cleaning the house and everything for more than 4 hours. I started downstairs cleaning and everything, tidy up, washing the clothes, and after that, all we're going to upstairs and then cleaning everything as long that I have time. And then after that, after I clean everything, I'll take a rest. And then after that, if the child is coming, I started to teach him his homework. And then some of the household chores that if I still have time in the afternoon, I just doing everything.
Okay. So what would you do if a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not around?
Excuse me?
What would you do if a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not around?
I'm just asking, or any like what I'm doing here, I ask her his or her identification card or anything, but I did not tell him or her to go inside. I'm just asking to prove which is what their need or anything.
Okay. So do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am, but probably also is basic, but breakfast and lunch. But I'm willing to learn more if they give it to me an instruction.
Okay. So you know how to follow instruction in cookbooks?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what favorite activities you enjoy doing with children? What activities you enjoy doing with children?
Especially with bonding with him after I'm teaching his lesson. When he was a child, I play with him like his toys, and also we went also to the park, and also exploring like swimming, and also sometimes I play with him tennis.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So what do children like best about you? What do they like about you?
I think he likes me just because especially I will take care of him for how many long years, and also just because maybe I will take care of him more than my family, my own family. So that's why.
Okay. So if one of the children accidentally hurts himself, what will you do?
Excuse me?
If one of the children accidentally hurts himself, what will you do?
So I'll get a first aid, and also I tell to my madam or my boss that what will happen, and I will take care of him.
Okay. So as a nanny, could you say no to a child?
Excuse me?
As a nanny, could you say no to a child?
As
You
a
say
nanny?
no, yeah. Could you say no to a child?
Yes.
Okay, when are you going to say no?
If they are doing something wrong, and I always say that if especially they are hurting somebody, I will explain properly what is do and what is wrong.
Okay. So how much is your minimum expected salary?
2,500 plus transportation and accommodation.
Okay. So describe yourself and give a short message to your future employer. Why should they hire you?
Please, if you want my service, can you please call my number 050-759-6069, and then try me in some other days, and then I will probably make sure that you satisfy my services.
Okay. So please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you from
Yes.
maidcv.com. Thank you.